How can you actually make money through your mobile app? Hi everyone, and welcome to the first episode of All You Need to Know About Mobile Apps. My name is Valerio, and I will take you through some tips and tricks on how you can monetize your mobile application, how you can make your mobile app better, what you should know if you're looking to start or develop a mobile application. And today for the first episode, as I said, it's something that we get asked a lot. So how can you actually make money through your mobile app? Let's say you already developed it, it's been in the market for 6 months, but now you need to start monetizing it. So here I jotted down 4 very easy points which will allow you to start entering this, or at least start getting some return of investment. The first one is obviously the most popular one, which is ad revenue. So I'm sure you all use mobile apps. You all know that ads are everywhere on mobile apps because that is one of the main source of revenues for the owner of the application. Ads vary, obviously. There's some invasive one, there's some which are a little better for the user, so they don't get too much in the way of the user. However, there's 3 main ones, which is cost per 1,000 impression, cost per click, and cost per action. Okay? They're all different. Obviously, you all have to pay for them. The one that is most used when it comes to entrepreneurs or people that have just started with mobile apps, it's cost per 1,000 impression. Why? Because it's a little bit less invasive for the user. It doesn't force the user to download the mobile app, and also it costs a little bit less because you reach thousands of people. That's why the name is called cost per 1,000 impression, because you reach just thousands of people and then you pay. The second option is obviously once you do have the ads on mobile apps, as I said, if you choose to make the ads a little bit more invasive for the users, you can give the user the option to remove the ads, either with different packages, different subscriptions. I'm sure you've seen it with a lot of mobile apps. So you pay a certain amount to upgrade your mobile app, and then you get no more ads. A lot of users do that. That's a very good source of income because, as I said, ads can be annoying for users. The third step is obviously in-app purchases, okay, which is very similar to upgrading to remove ads. If you want to upgrade and remove ads, that in itself is an in-app purchase. When it comes to games, you're able to buy a certain type of currency. When it comes to, other type of mobile app, for example, newspapers, you may be able to access a certain section, or you may be able to pay to receive a newsletter. All of these things are in-app purchases, which obviously allow the owner of the application to monetize on the app itself. The fourth and last point is sponsorships. Now, the market, we're in 2020, the market is moving towards mobile apps, and a lot of sponsors out there are looking for actually entrepreneurs with good ideas and with a solid base already with an app out there. So if you do have an app and it's been in the market for 6 months to up to a year, you have good numbers, you're reaching out a lot of people, this is the time for you to look for sponsors. They will be more than happy to sponsor you, give you a certain amount of budget, a certain amount of money for you to grow your application even more. So as I said, these are very easy points, 4 points for you to be able to monetize on top of your mobile app.